the invisible thread between you and the universe. Before we begin, take a moment. If you are someone who reflects on consciousness, energy, and the deeper nature of reality, I invite you to subscribe to this channel now. Not for numbers, but so these reflections can continue to find you when you need them. Now breathe slowly. And let's begin. There is something happening right now that most people never notice. Not outside of them, but within. Modern physics has reached a conclusion that challenges everything we were taught about reality. The universe is not made of solid things. At its most fundamental level, reality is a field of energy, vibration, and probability. Matter is not fixed. Time is not absolute. And separation is an illusion. At the quantum level, particles do not exist as defined objects until they are observed. Before observation, they exist as potential, as possibilities waiting to be chosen. This means that reality is not passive, it responds. In physics, this is called the observer effect. In spirituality, it is called awareness. Different words, same principle. You are not just living in the universe, you are interacting with it constantly. Every thought you repeat strengthens a neural pathway. Every emotion you return to stabilizes a chemical and energetic state. Every belief you hold shapes the way reality appears to you. This is not belief. This is biology, neuroscience, and physics intersecting. When your mind is filled with noise, fear, stress, resistance, your internal system becomes incoherent, and an incoherent system cannot perceive clearly. But when you slow down, when you observe instead of react, when you become present, something remarkable happens. Your nervous system begins to regulate, your perception sharpens. Your awareness expands. In quantum terms, your internal signal becomes coherent, and coherence changes outcomes. If this idea resonates with you, pause and write in the comments, "I am aware." Not as a mantra, as recognition. Spiritual traditions have spoken for centuries about alignment, balance, and presence. Quantum physics now shows us that systems function optimally when they are coherent, when all parts move in harmony instead of conflict. You were never meant to control the universe. You were meant to synchronize with it. The universe does not respond to desperation. It responds to clarity. It does not respond to force. It responds to frequency. When you chase outcomes from a place of fear, you create resistance. But when you embody awareness, you begin to notice patterns, synchronicities, and intuitive signals that were always there waiting for your attention. This is why moments of stillness feel powerful. This is why silence feels alive. This is why presence feels grounding. The universe is not speaking in words. It speaks in timing, in feeling, in inner knowing. The problem has never been that the universe is silent. The problem is that the mind is often too loud. Presence is the bridge between energy and meaning. When you return to the present moment, your body exits survival mode. Your mind exits projection, and your awareness becomes receptive instead of reactive. You move from noise to signal. You do not need to understand everything intellectually. Understanding comes after alignment, not before it. Awareness first. Clarity follows. If you know someone who questions reality, consciousness, or the deeper nature of existence, consider sharing this video, not to convince them but to invite reflection. And if this message brought you clarity.com or a sense of connection, take a moment to like the video. That simple action helps this frequency reach others who are quietly searching. We are not here to escape the universe. We are here to remember that we are part of it. And the moment you truly remember that the way you experience life begins to change. Stay focused. Stay consistent. Stay within.